Follow me.
Dad, where are we going?
I don't know.
What's that? The green light.
Means going here.
No. Look, it's going away. Let's do it. Dad, I don't think we should do this. Where are we?
Shiny. Golden Palace.
There's a
It's that green light right there.
I don't know. Dad, I'm scared.
I'm getting scared.
Dad, don't. Dad, don't leave me, okay?
No, I won't. Of course I won't leave you. Let's go this way.
There it is again.
There it is. What is that?
I don't know.
What is that light? What are those lights?
Going over there. There it is.
What is that light?
What's that? It's like trying to tell us something.
Charles P.
What's that noise? I don't know what it means.
That thing, what's that?
There's a green light again.
That green light again. Where's that go? What is that? Telling us something. City Hall.
What was that? I think it wanted us to go
It's that green light again.
I think it wanted us to go out here. Or something, I don't know.
What's that noise? Oh, the peacock. What's up? We have to go. We have to go.
Dad, stop, you're scaring me. What's that noise?
Who's that guy? Look. Ah. Hey. What's down there? I'm not going
I
down
don't
there.
want to know.
Spider. Ah! Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Come on, faster. Jeez. Oh, they're grabbing me. My legs. No! Help! Don't go! Ah!